Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a retainer in your invoicing system. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll explain what each setting means so you can update your agreement with confidence. By the end, you'll have your retainer refreshed with the right hours or amount, the correct billing schedule, and an accurate rate, all safely saved. Start by clicking Invoices. This takes you to the billing section where your financial documents and ongoing agreements live. From there, click Retainers. This is the dedicated area that houses all your active and past retainers, making it easy to open the one you want to change. Open your retainer. Choose the specific agreement you want to update, and give the summary a quick glance so you're sure you're in the right place. When you're ready to make changes, click the green Edit button. This unlocks the fields you need to modify without affecting anything else. Now, update the details. If your retainer is based on time, adjust the hours to reflect the new allocation. For example, you might increase monthly hours to match a larger scope. If it's a fixed fee arrangement, update the amount to the new flat total. Only change one of these, hours or amount, based on how your agreement is structured. Next, review the billing schedule. This controls how often invoices are generated for the retainer. Choose the cadence that matches your contract, such as monthly or another agreed interval. If your arrangement recently changed, this is where you align the system with that new rhythm so billing stays predictable and consistent. Then, update the rate. If you bill hourly, this is where you set the hourly rate used to calculate charges against the hours you entered. Make sure it reflects any recent adjustments, such as a new rate effective this period. If you use a blended or role-based rate, enter the figure that applies to this retainer so your future invoices calculate correctly. Before you finalize, skim for accuracy. Confirm that the hours or amount, billing schedule, and rate match your agreement and start date intentions. Clear, accurate data here saves back and forth later. When everything looks good, click Save. The system will apply your changes and keep the retainer up to date for upcoming invoices and reports. You should see confirmation that the retainer has been updated, and your new settings will take effect moving forward. That's it, your retainer is now updated. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make a quick adjustment.